Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Hour. Today, we're flying into the buzzing world of one of the most important insects on Earth, the honeybee. Can you make a buzzing sound with me? Honeybees are tiny but super smart insects that live together in big groups called colonies. In the wild, they often make their homes or hives inside tree trunks, rock crevices, or hollow logs. Inside the hive, bees work together like a big, busy family. They build honeycombs from wax and store yummy honey inside each cell. Teamwork makes the honey work. Every wild bee colony has one special bee, the queen bee. She lays all the eggs and keeps the colony growing. The worker bees, all girls, take care of the hive, collect nectar, and make honey. When worker bees fly out to collect nectar, they also spread pollen from flower to flower. That helps plants and trees grow fruits and seeds, so bees are nature's gardeners. Back in the hive, the bees turn nectar into golden honey using their wings to fan and dry it. That's where sweet honey comes from. Isn't that amazing? Wild honeybee colonies live freely in nature, buzzing from flower to flower and building homes wherever they can. They help the earth stay healthy by keeping plants alive. Time for our honeybee quiz. Shout out the answers if you know them. Where do wild honeybees build their hives? In trees or rocks? Who is the leader of the colony? The queen bee. What do bees make from nectar? Honey. Honeybees remind us that even the smallest creatures can do big, important jobs. They work hard, help nature, and share sweetness with the world. Wow! Friends, today we learned about wild honeybees, their hives, their teamwork, and their sweet honey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more amazing animal adventures on Kids Hour. See you next time. Bye-bye.